this is a good size sample, and this is a good size sample. This is the way you usually pick a color on a swatch. You find your favorite color, but this is a small sample. So what you have to do is buy sample colors and put them on the wall. See, this is a good size sample, and this is a good size sample. Maybe a little bit more bigger than this size sample that you would need. You know, run to a lot of people, homeowners, that buy off the chart swatch, and they end up buying $200 worth of paint and bringing it home, put it on the wall. It's too strong, too dark, and something doesn't look exactly out here because you have to get the bigger picture. That's why we do the samples. Most samples, you know, you can find them for $5 to $7. You know, a gallon of paint you could pay up to $50, $60 a gallon. So it's a big difference, and it makes a big difference for you to find your right color, the one you're going to live with and be happy with when you come in your house.